Daniel Loveland is asking, does dirty smoke matter when doing long cooks? And Daniel, it most absolutely matters. Doesn't matter if it's a short cook, medium cook, or long cook. It matters. You always want your rig running clean. Always. Dirty smoke means acrid taste, means bad tasting barbecue, and you put too much work into it to let it get ruined by some dirty smoke. Now, here's how you can realize what's happening and how to avoid it, and this is at least what I do. When I'm firing at my rigs, I do not place any meat on my rig if the smoke is not clean yet, all right? I don't wanna place brisket on there and let the first 30 minutes that it's exposed to just be the dirtiest, thickest smoke. That's ridiculous, because that's not gonna go away. That's gonna seep in there, and everything else is just gonna build upon that. I wait until my rig is burning clean and efficiently, then I place all my proteins on. Now, when you're adding wood, you can end up with a little bit of white smoke, but not thick, dirty, pluming smoke. That just happens when you're adding wood on there, and they may not be 100% dry. Sometimes you may want to place a little bit of green wood in there if you're trying to really impart some flavors, but you should never add any fuel to your rig and it immediately goes to dirty, thick, pluming smoke. If it does, open up everything, open up the doors, let it vent out, let it burn. If your wood is too wet to use, place it on top of your firebox so that residual radiant heat can absorb and burn off any additional moisture in there. Those are just some of the tricks, but always, always run a clean rig, whether it's an offset, reverse flow, kettle, ceramic, always run a clean rig. Thanks for the question, brother.